All right, they've been asked a lot is how to hang a surge protector on the side of either on a wall like that without drilling a whole bunch of holes to find out where the second screw goes. So the first thing you're going to do is find a couple of nails or screws that fit inside there, and actually when it slides up, that's not going to come out. All right, so you're just going to hammer in the first one. I'm going to put it right about here. Okay, on this. Now what you don't want to do is have a big gap there where this moves back and forth. So you want to hammer it in enough to where it stays like that, and there's really no play. Every time you unplug something, you don't want it doing this. Now I kept tapping it until I got it down there, so you lift it up and it slides out. Now what happened is when I put it in, okay, it's so snug that I have to push it down to line it up. So now now I'm going to show you the trick on how to get that second one in, and knowing where to put it on the bottom there. Now what I like to do is, like I said in other videos, I don't like using the very end piece. So I'm going to put the one right in the center of that dot. Okay, and while this is going on, let me stretch this out some. Alright, you can use a shoestring for this if you want and mark it. You can use a piece of yarn or anything. So I'm going to hold that down. Okay, and it's on the one, and down on this side, okay, in the center of that eye is 7 1/4, which is actually 6 1/4 because you take the first one off. So when I do this, I'm going to put that one where the top nail is and come down to 7 1/4 and put the other nail in. Okay, put a dot where that is, and kind of line up and do a visual to make sure that's where it's going to be. Alright, so to kind of a visual that's going to line up, it's just a quality, quality assurance check or whatever, before you actually nail it. It's going to be a real close call. And you see how close I went with that nail? Alright, that's pretty close in there. That's got to be like 1/8 of an inch or even less. Alright, so that's how far we're going to punch it in. And that's a good tight fit. And something else, the nails did go all the way through. Alright, so it's right up there. And what I did here, good idea, is that's the top. That's an old pencil eraser top, and it actually covers up the nail pretty good. So if you reach in and hit it, it's not going to scrape you at all. So just a really cool idea. It also works good on earrings too. That's a cool idea if somebody loses the back of an earring.